Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ainsley Fiore with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Wednesday, February 18th, 2009. Berkshire Hathaway will buy $250 million of debt from luxury jeweler Tiffany and Company. According to the Financial Times, half of the bonds will mature in 2017 and the rest 2 years later. Tiffany will use the proceeds of the bonds, with an annual yield of 10%, to refinance its debt and for general corporate purposes. Staying with capital markets news, General Motors is expected to have received the final $4 billion of a $13.4 billion emergency loan from the U.S. Treasury. According to Bloomberg, it had already received $9.4 billion in 2 previous installments promised by former President George W. Bush. GM must also present a progress plan to the Treasury which shows progress in trimming labor, debt, and other expenses in order to become viable and repay the loans by the end of 2011. And in more capital markets news, Spain will be infusing €4 billion into its car sector. According to the Financial Times, the aid will not be given to companies which cut their workforces without trade union agreement. Spain, which has already proposed €800 million of relief for the motor industry, will use some of the €4 billion in aid to help small businesses and consumers. And in other capital markets news, Dutch insurer Eureko has received a €1 billion capital injection from its major shareholders, Achmea Association and Rabobank Group. According to Reuters, the move comes in order to help the insurer cope with €2.9 billion of write-downs. Achmea Association, which owns 54.4% of Eureko, has invested €600 million, while cooperatively owned Rabobank, with a 39.5% stake in Eureko, invested €400 million in the insurer. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thank you for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.